Hi guys, welcome to your maths video for this week. So this week is all about multiplication, okay, and we've done lots of that in school, so I'm sure you'll have a great week with it. Okay, let's just talk about what multiplication is first to remind ourselves. So remember, multiplication is all about equal groups, isn't it? Groups of, okay, so all of the groups you have must be equal. Okay, and what you do is you have the groups and you add them together, don't you? And you see how many you've got all together. So let's have a think. We could have 6 groups of 5, couldn't we? And I'm going to use my fingers to help me like we did in school. Okay, so I've got 6 groups of 5. So I'm going to count in 5s to work out what the answer is for 6 times 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So 6 times 5 is 30. Okay, now just remember that it's got another name, hasn't it? Repeated addition. And that means the repeated part means you're adding the same thing over and over again. So there I was adding 5s together, wasn't I? 5, add 5, add 5, add 5, add 5, add 5. Okay, and that is the same as 6 times 5. Okay, so that's what multiplication is. So you can use your fingers to help you. Okay, you can also draw some arrays. We've done lots of arrays. Okay, so there's some tips for you. Okay, so I'll quickly go through each day for you. So lesson 1 is just a kind of reminder about multiplication. Okay, so you're going to do some multiplication number sentences. Okay, so there's a bit of repeated addition on there and a bit of multiplication number sentences, so you're going to have to do a bit of both. Okay, day 2 is all about using arrays. Okay, and like I just said, we've done lots of that, haven't we? You did it for your dip and do not so long ago, so you should be able to remember how to do that quite well. Okay, so that's about using arrays to help you find multiplication facts, so I'm sure you'll be great at that. Day 3 is actually moving on to times tables. Okay, and just remember that times tables are just multiplication facts that we learn, and we don't need to work them out, do we? Okay, so on this day, you're going to be looking at the 2 times table, which we've looked at quite a lot in school, and I know that lots of you have been practicing at home. Okay, so I'll give you an example of something from the 2 times table. If I said to you 6 times 2, it's not being able to work it out, it's being able to say it as a fact. So 6 times 2 is 12. So I didn't need to work that out, I've learned it, okay? So that's what you'll be doing on day 3, practicing your 2 times table. And then on day 4, it's very similar, but instead of the 2 times table, you're going to be doing it for the 5 times table, which again, we've done in school as well. And I know lots of you practice at home, so I'm sure they'll be fantastic, okay? So there are your 4 days on white rows, okay? When you've had a go at them, then you can mark them yourself, can't you? Because you've got the answers, okay? And you don't need to put them onto Purple Mash, okay? But I will be putting the challenges on Purple Mash like normal, and they've been going great so far, guys. I've seen some really good responses to them. So keep that up, keep going, and good luck. And we're looking forward to seeing your work. Bye.